The Fritsch ESA line cake line brings simplicity and efficiency to the cake production process. With advanced technology and smart design, this product line helps optimize production processes and enhance productivity while ensuring high quality of the final product. Looking at the production line of this cake, can you guess what cake this is? And what makes them unique? Please comment below with your thoughts, okay? Printing pliers with sharp blades are clasped tightly in the worker's hand. A small incision is made, marking the start of the change. Unique creativity is a special quality that not everyone has. In the field of crafts, this is even more evident. Drywall surfing skills are an important construction technique in the construction industry. This technique requires workers to be highly skilled, meticulous and careful to ensure smooth, flat drywall construction. As we conclude this insightful exploration of industrial food machinery, we extend our heartfelt thanks for your unwavering support and engagement. Your presence has truly made this journey fulfilling. If this exploration has resonated with you, we kindly invite you to share your thoughts and reactions. Stay tuned for more enlightening content in our future episodes of GoTech. Until then, keep exploring, keep innovating, and we eagerly anticipate reconnecting with you soon. Looking at bell peppers, you not only feel the natural beauty and freshness, but also see the richness in color and shape. With its sweet taste and unique aroma, bell peppers are not only a perfect ingredient for many dishes, but also a great highlight for any meal. Wrapping cucumbers and vegetables with a reverse flow wrapper is an effective method to preserve and protect the produce. This wrapper creates a protective wraparound products, keeping them fresh and preventing exposure to outside air and bacteria. The seafood box contains a miniature ocean world where golden fish, red shrimp and ivory white clams are stacked on top of each other, emitting a salty flavor, stimulating the taste buds. Each box is a story about the ocean's journey. This meat processing method uses advanced techniques to break down the protein structure in the meat, making it significantly more tender than traditional methods. SealPack Tray Sealer operates on electromechanical principles, using a sensor and automatic control system to ensure high accuracy in the packaging process. Fresh meat fibers are created by the grinder, replacing traditional slicing or mincing methods. Each flesh line intertwines and blends to create a vibrant artistic picture.